we just can't sit home. We have to do something and go somewhere. So this morning after breakfast we decided to jump in the train and to go up to Salerno.
Siamo in arrivo a Praia Aieta Tortora.
Of course, the trick is that we want to see everything in the hours. By the way, we're in double decker, so we're on the second floor, and the train is beauty.
Ricordiamo a chi è in partenza con un biglietto digitale regionale che il check-in va effettuato entro l'orario di partenza previsto per questo treno. Grazie.
Ciao, we are here. We start spree. Spree, we have to run very fast, find all the good things. Let's go. First stop is Lungomare. We have to catch a little bit of flight. So let's go. Luckily, we arrived right in the center of town, so everything right here. First, a little snack.
The fries are great, but you have to be careful because if somebody bumps into you, you'll get a free piercing.
And now, Centro Storico. This is a must. We love this old town, and we always visit here. Of course, we have to see the Centro Storico. Old town in Salerno is very, very cool. We always come here, and especially in this time is very festive and beautiful. And of course, Duomo is an absolute must. Here in Old Town there is a very special libreria. It's a very good, cool old bookstore. Even though this is not too much, but we can even rest a little bit, and of course we visit all our favorite places.
Every time we come to Salerno, I always have to stop at this little tiny shop here because I get this dessert. I don't know how to pronounce the name. And I don't know what it's called, but it's very delicious. It has some custard in it, and then they put sugar on top, and it's very tasty. But I get very messy when I eat it.
And by the way, this is frolla. The name of the thing is frolla. Good? Buono. So here it says, don't steal the plants, it's for the saint.
Ragazzi, con il numerino delle stesse iniziali. Se volete vi potete già
And here is the whole line of restaurants all in one spot. So you can choose whatever you fancy. Here is the whole line of restaurants all in one spot. So you can choose something. And next one is Villa Comunale. Wow, very not happy news that they send us in this alley. Here the crowd don't move too much, and we don't have enough time for the getting to the train station. So we can be late, and I don't like it. I don't like it. The time starts to be really short. We start to be nervous a little bit. So hopefully we will make it. Where did they send us? Mamma mia. That's how we have to walk. Now I'm so upset. They wouldn't let us go back to where we were. And it's the only place I know. They said go around. I explained to them that we're late for our train, and they just don't even want to listen to us. Go tell us to go all around and find your tree somewhere from another street. This is ridiculous. The streets are really crowded. We don't know now where we're going because it's completely different direction. We've never been here. So I'm really upset. I can't believe they send us who knows where, because this is our last train. If we miss it, we are doomed. I mean, it's the last train. There is no way to get back home if we miss this train. So I hope everything will be fine. We're at the station. I think everything's fine. We hope we will get to the right train. So the trip was successful. So we also managed to eat some pizza. Oh, yeah. Where's the pizza? So we'll show to you. Wow, we are in the train. There were a million people. The train was a little bit late, but 2 hours wouldn't be quite enough for Salerno. So I would say 3 hours or even a little bit more would be better. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, write a comment, or subscribe to our channel. It would mean a lot to us.